If you're new to skincare and you don't know where to start from, then this video is for you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about all things skincare for beginners. Before we dive into the video, let's talk about the importance of skincare. It's important to know that skincare is healthcare. A lot of people rather spend money on other things but won't take care of their skin. If you can feed your inside, you have to also feed your outside. It has to be a balanced equation, guys. And if you want to go into skincare, you don't have to break the bank. Skincare can be simple and inexpensive. My advice to people who are just starting out with skincare is that just go basic and start small. There are a lot of skincare products ranging from moisturizers to serums to toners, everything. You don't have to rush, and there are some very important things you need to note before actually purchasing your skincare products. This is a disclaimer. I am not a dermatologist, neither am I an esthetician. I'm just sharing things that I've gotten through research and experience. Now, when you're talking about basic skincare, you're talking about your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. That is the basic thing you start with. You choose the type of moisturizer or sunscreen that you are going to buy. You have to first determine the type of skin that you have. You're wondering, am I not supposed to buy something that has to deal with probably something I'm suffering with? Yes, we'll get to that. One thing to note is the type of skin that you have. And note, you might have a different type of skin on your face as compared to the rest of your body. For example, I have a dry skin on my body, but my face is like a normal to dry skin. So the basic type of skin types you might have are dry, oily, normal, or combination skin. It's important to know your skin type before you purchase your skincare products. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my own basic skincare routine and the products that I use. Now that you have determined your skin type, obviously the products that you want to buy should target your skin problems or your skin issues. But before you actually get there, it's just like a child that was given birth to 6 months ago. You can't start giving the child shawarma. You have to start with water. You have to start introducing food little by little to the child. You cannot start with giving the child something an adult to eat. That's why you have to start very simple before you dwell into your skin problems. Develop a simple routine that will help to nourish your skin. Like we mentioned before, we are starting out with a face cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Here are some of my recommendations. Simple has a range of products that almost all skin types can use. Another that you can buy is the CeraVe products. I have so many cleansers for each skin type. For example, if you have a dry skin, you should use an hydrating cleanser. If you have an oily skin, you should use the foaming cleanser. All these are just cleansers that I have mentioned. CeraVe also has a range of moisturizers that you can use on your face and on your body. Now, an important thing to note is research. When you have gotten the type of skin that you have to research the products that you can use. Remember, we are starting very simple, so the first thing you should get is a face cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. The sunscreen that I would recommend, we have Nivea, we have Skinaqua, we have a range of other products. I don't want to start mentioning the very expensive ones. One thing to note about sunscreen is that they are a little bit on the pricey side. If you see a sunscreen that is really cheap, run away. I don't mean they have to be too expensive. Here are some other tips that you should apply. Number one, do not use your body towel for your face. You must always apply sunscreen. That is the rule of thumb. If you want to improve your skin appearance, if you want whatever you are trying to take away or solve, any of your skin problems that you're trying to solve, especially on your face, and you're not using sunscreen, you're just playing. They play. I'm telling you, you're playing. And it's also important to reapply your sunscreen like every 2 hours throughout the day. Another thing to note is double cleansing. Another double cleansing. Please, if you're watching this video and you are still using makeup wipes to take off your makeup, please, there are things called cleansing balms, and those are very on the expensive side. So I'll introduce you to micellar cleansing water. I think Simple has a micellar cleansing water. I'm not really sure, but Garnier has a micellar cleansing water, and it's not too expensive. If you want to double cleanse, you start with the products first, and then you can go in with your face cleanser. Double cleansing is just a game changer. Another thing to note is that do not apply your sunscreen at night. It's not necessary, my dear. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Now to my own simple skincare routine. Start off with my face cleanser. Because I have a dry skin on my face, I go in with the Cetaphil gentle skin cleanser. This is for dry to normal / sensitive skin. I love that it has hydrating glycerin in it, and it has vitamin B5 and B3. B3 is niacinamide. I hope I'm correct. Now this is what the Cetaphil face cleanser looks like. After my face cleanser, I double cleanse. On days that I have to double cleanse, I double cleanse with the Garnier Miscellar cleansing water. I ran out of it, so I cannot show you a live video. And then I go in with my moisturizing lotion. I go in with my CeraVe moisturizing lotion for dry to very dry skin. This has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Very, very good for a normal skin and a dry skin. Last on our list of basic skincare routine, I go in with my sunscreen. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 from this YouTube video. I want you to share it with your friends or those that need it. And don't forget to drop any comments that you might have about basic skincare in the comment section, or something that you have been implementing and you believe I said it right. See you in the next video. Bye.